Over 10 years ago, a 16-year-old high school kid got started wholesaling real estate because he saw a bunch of checks on his dad's desk. That caused an empire, making millions of dollars every single year wholesaling real estate with me and my dad. I want to give you a little bit of my wholesaling real estate journey, getting started to where I'm at now, so you understand how I went from a broke bag boy to making millions of dollars a year wholesaling real estate. We get to the next section here. I do want to teach you a little bit more about me and my journey in wholesaling real estate and who you're really listening to. So I got started wholesaling real estate in 2016, 2017, kind of the end of 2016. It was between the years when I just turned 17 years old. And I got started wholesaling real estate in Port St. Lucie, Florida. Now, my dad actually is a OG wholesaler. So I'm not like this, oh my gosh, I just found out what this business was. My dad's been wholesaling my whole life. He's been wholesaling since 2004, okay? So he's been in this business for over 22 years. I want everyone to understand that. Now, my dad taught me how to wholesale real estate. There's no secret to that, okay? He literally gave me all the info of his 22 years of wholesaling real estate. So guess what? With his knowledge, which was an unfair advantage, he taught me how to get my first wholesaling deal at just 17 years old. I made $25,000 at just 17 years old doing my first wholesaling real estate deal. Completely changed my life. Even think about it now, I was in high school, I literally skipped my class because I got a call from a real estate deal. I put one of those "We Buy Ugly Houses" bandit signs out, and I got a wholesaling deal by doing that. Completely changed my life. After that, I started scaling out really well. By 2018, I graduated high school. I made over $100,000 in my pocket in assignment fees by the time I graduated high school. Absolutely, really awesome. Then from there, I got a full ride scholarship to the University of Florida. And I said, it's a full ride scholarship. Why not? Hey, I can wholesale in Gainesville. Well, that sucked. Gainesville, Florida was a brutal wholesaling market. I sucked there. It was really hard for me. It was a new market. I did not do well. And I wanted to do wholesaling back home, but I didn't know what to do. Now, before that, there's not really a thing called virtual wholesaling back then. No one is even really talking about it. So I had to go learn how to virtually wholesale. And I was doing bandit signs. How do I do bandit signs back in Port St. Lucie, Florida? It's a 3.5-hour drive. So I had to learn how to cold call motivated sellers. So from 2018 to 2019, for a couple semesters, I learned how to virtually wholesale and cold call in my dorm room. I started hiring VAs, and guys, I went from $100K a year to $250K a year. It was awesome. I got really good at it. Now, here's the interesting part. Again, I don't recommend this, and I don't do this to brag, but I have an eidetic memory. I have a very, very, very close to a photographic memory. If you tell me, Zach, what did you wear, January 4th? 2016, I can't tell you what I wore, but I have a really good photographic memory. And this basically means I can read a textbook and almost know it all, and then take a test 4 months later and I'll be fine. And so I don't recommend this, but I took 20 credits a semester. And by the time I graduated high school, I also had my AA degree. So I had 2 years of college done in high school. In Florida, you can do that. It was all free. It was awesome. So I pretty much did 2 years of college in 1 year, and I graduated pretty quick in 2019 from the University of Florida. And I had this knowledge of how to cold call and virtually wholesale. My dad was all direct mail, in person. He never did this stuff. So what we decided when I was just 19 years old, basically, I teamed up with him. We went 50-50, and we started to create a wholesaling empire. Pretty big for him to, give 50% of his company to this crazy kid, me. But we decided we're going to team up better together. I was living with him for a year, and it's should I just, I don't know, should I compete with him or work with him? So we decided to work together, and from there, we went from making hundreds of thousands a year to millions a year because we were just amazing what we did. During that time in 2019, you can look at my oldest YouTube videos. In 2019, we started the Flip with Rick YouTube channel. The reason why it's called Flip with Rick, and the reason we made this YouTube channel, and the reason why I'm standing here before you, teaching you all, guys, I shouldn't be making this video for free. I shouldn't be teaching this stuff for free. I shouldn't. But the reason why I'm here before you, and I get emotional because my dad, this is part of my number one part of my haters, but your dad taught you for free, but I'm teaching you for free. So you're getting the same treatment my dad gave to me. And so the reason I made the Flip Lurk YouTube channel was because I thought it was so amazing what my dad taught me. It was such an unfair advantage that I said, you know what? I'm gonna take my phone and I'm just going to press record and have my dad talk about how to wholesale real estate the same way he taught me. And I started recording him and recording myself of how I was wholesaling houses. And I said, why don't we just give it to the people completely for free? It was kind of fun. It was kind of a side project. People started sending me virtual wholesaling deals. I'm like, oh, we're making a lot of money doing this. And it grew the whole YouTube channel. It was crazy. But basically, my dad taught me for free. So I said, you know what, I'm going to teach the world for free because my dad taught me for free. I'm going to teach everything he taught me to the world for free. So me and my dad have this YouTube channel. And during that time, and again, I don't want to get too emotional, but like during that time, nobody taught wholesaling for free. It was all $10,000, $14,000, $15,000 paid courses. And I'd be like, Zach, there's really no $15,000 paid wholesaling courses anymore. It's because I killed them all, basically. And so we taught them for free. We had a lot of haters. I would tell you, all these wholesaling coaches started putting these hit pieces out on me. How dare, and they hated me because I made millions of dollars and I never sold the course. They didn't like that. And so it kind of built into this model where basically you guys send me wholesaling deals and we JV and we do well, right? And so I'll tell you this, I decided to teach everyone for free. And this is why you are watching this for free, because all my information is for free. I made a free course. It's called freewholesaling.com. It's still got 76,000 people in there, hundreds that join every single day. It's awesome, okay? In 2020, I basically became a millionaire at 20 years old by wholesaling houses. That was over 6 years ago. Wow, holy moly. And you know, looking at this journey now from this video, and this is by far my biggest video I've ever done, the most amount of time and prep I've put into a video, that the longest video I've probably put out is video-wise. We actually did a 27-hour live stream with that. I don't want to get into that right now. That was crazy. But we grow to making millions of dollars per year, me and my dad, and we teach millions of people how to wholesale real estate. So that's my quick little journey. That's a little side of who you're talking to right now. And so guys, on this YouTube channel, I go live a lot. I cold call sellers. I close deals. I go out here and just go and show you my deals, my checks, everything, right? It's so fun.